costume.
You want what?
One of my father costume.
Oh, is your spider costume in there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't want my father costume.
You want it?
Mm-mm.
You don't want it. Go hide in the closet. Who you hiding from?
Hoover.
Hoover. Hoover gonna get you?
No, thank you. Hoover don't want to get.
Oh, okay.
There's the elephant.
Yep, there's the elephant. Well, Hoover's definitely not gonna get you now.
Elephant isn't gonna get me.
Nope, he's cute, isn't he?
He does. Elephant don't want to get me.
He's funny, isn't he?
He doesn't want to get me.
Who you hiding from?
Hoover.
Oh, okay. What are you doing behind my chair?
That's my chair.
Oh, okay. What are you doing behind your chair?
Somebody's not falling on my bed.
Somebody fell out of your bed?
No. Don't baby show me.
Baby snowman fell out of the bed?
Nothing.
I think the ghost fell out of the bed last night, didn't he?
Didn't make us right now for I'm not my bed. It's so silly.
No, you're silly.
No.
You put that ghost light back in your bed, though, okay?
Okay. Put him back in the bed.
No, you can take him to Cheryl's.
No.
You don't want to take him?
He's in the bed.
Oh, okay. There you go.
I don't want to take him to Cheryl's.
Pull him through. Pull.
Where?
Hmm?
Here.
Do you want to take him?
No, they.
Okay.
I didn't take baby snowman. I can't read it. You get him.
Who you want?
So pockets in bed.
Who do you want Daddy to get?
I'll bring baby snowman.
You want me to get Baby Snowman? Are you going to take him to Cheryl's?
Yeah, you get him.
Okay, Daddy get him.
I get him.
It's just out of your reach, isn't he? Here you go.
Thanks.
Sure. All right, let's get your shoes on. Are you dancing?
What's Woody on phone?
Hmm?
What's Woody?
You want to watch Woody?
Yeah.
I don't think I have Woody on the phone. All right, let's get your shoes on.